In this video, I'll show you how to create Luno account. So once I've installed the app on your device, I'll show you what you need to do. So open it up. Now tap on this portfolio, tap on get started. So enter the mail you'll be using, enter the required details. So you need to enter this one detail. So I'm going to enter mine right now. Not right now. So we're going to verify this. So confirm my mail. So we're going to create a pin. So I'm going to do I'll do that right now. So right now we'll be able to create our Luno account. So this is your Luno wallet. You can be able to check it through. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.